Hi, welcome back to Graphics Mirror with a new graphics video. So let's start. Create a page of this size. Add this pic in background. Adjust it in the middle of pic. Convert this text into Smart Object. Press Ctrl T and perspective it. Add blending option to text, like this. Hold out and drag it. Press CT or Alt Shift to create a copy of all. Add camera raw filter with these instructions as shown. Here is our typography on this pic.